Today, we're going to learn about am, is, and are. We've already learned about pronouns. Let's learn the use of words am, is, and are with pronouns. I am. He is. She is. It is. We are. They are. You are. We observe that am is used with pronoun I. Example: I am happy. I am a student. I am dancing. Is used with pronouns he, she, and it. Let's look at some examples. He is running. She is reading. It is cute. However, for you, we use are. Are is also used with pronouns we and they. You are smart. We are friends. They are playing. Say with me loudly. I am. He is. She is. It is. You are. We are. They are. I will say the sentence. You tell me, am, is, or are. I dash happy. Correct answer is am. She dash singing. Is. Correct answer is. They dash jumping. Correct answer is are. Great job! Today we learn I am. He, she, it is. You, we, they are. If you enjoyed learning, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to FunnLearn Land. Bye bye friends.